If you have a Hilton free night certificate from your credit card, you're allowed to redeem a room up to 95,000 points. I was planning a trip to Key West for the weekend. When I was browsing through the hotel list, I mainly focused on the high-end selection. That way, I maximized the value of my free night certificate. Back in March 2022, Casa Marina was still under the Waldorf Astoria brand, but it was transitioned to the Curio Collection brand afterwards. To me, that was a downgrade, but I still trusted that they would maintain certain quality standard. Unfortunately, it turned out to be a disappointment. Let's finish talking about booking first. You are allowed to use multiple free night certificates back to back. In the Marriott and Hyatt cases, you use the app to apply your free night certificate, but for Hilton, I believe you have to call this number. When I walked into the room, I was a bit disappointed. With a $700 level price tag, I was expecting the room to be a little bit more renovated. It could be because I was booking with points. I hope that is not intentional with Hilton policy. Please share your experience with me if you have had a situation like this before. For now, I assume I was treated equally with other hotel guests. The room was clean, but it just felt a little bit too basic with this price tag. If you're coming with kids and you're expecting to spend some time on their private beach, it may not be the type of beach that you're expecting. It is still a very nice beach for family photo or for weddings, but it wasn't like the type of beach that I would get into the water. I don't know if this is the correct comparison. This was how I saw Ritz-Carlton was maintaining their beach at Miami. I also found other hotels at Key West where they could provide a much better environment. I'm not saying this hotel was bad, but if you're paying for this price, you may have more choices. If you happen to be planning a wedding at this hotel, be aware that your reception may be hosted in a public area that is shared with other hotel guests. So to talk to the manager and see if they can make some arrangement for you. By the way, there's another Hilton on the list that is just located right next to Casa Marina. It is the Rich Key West. We're gonna fast forward on it. This is going to be a very short video. I hope it is helpful to you. I'll see you next time.